Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be continuing probability. So today we'll be seeing like a example or a problem on probability mass function. So let x be a random variable and f is the PMF given by this. So for this, so we need to find the value of k, and we need to find these three probabilities. So for finding the value of k, we need to apply the property which we have learned, that the summation of all the probability mass function is equals to 1. So simply we'll just equate this to 1. So 0 plus k plus 2k plus 3k, 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k equals to 1. So this is what 9k plus 10k square equals to 1. So 10k square plus 10k minus k equals to 0, minus 1 equals to 0. So I'm just factorizing it. So this will be what? This will be 10k minus 1, and this will be k plus 1 equals to 0. So k will have what? 1 by 10 and minus 1. So minus 1 is not possible because probability cannot be negative. So the value of k is 1 by 10. So this is the answer to the first part. So now we'll find the probability px less than 6 equals to 6. So for that, if we do this, if we find for like all these 5 probabilities, it will be very big. So what we can do is we can use the complement property of probability. So what is this? We'll just put the value here. So 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10, because k is 1 by 10, this will equals to what? 83 by 100. So next we have p. So probability must be greater than 3 and less than or equals to 6. So we have it, we need just 4, 5, and we'll add the 6th. So by doing all this, we'll get the answer. So 3 into 1 by 10, this will be 1 by 100, and this will be 2 by 100. So we'll get the answer as 33 by 100. So now for the final part, that the probability 3x less than 6 conditional, that x must be, so x must, given that x is less than or equals to 6, we need to find probability that x is less than 3. So we'll just use the formula. So we can infer like this: probability of 3x must be greater than 3 and it must be less than or equals to 6. So this is what it means upon probability of, so this is the definition of conditional. So we'll just put the value. We have already found the value of this is what? I'll just arrange one more so it will be easy to understand. So the value of this was what? 33 by 100, and the first one value was 83 by 100. So the final value is 33 by 83. So this is the required probability. So this was some example on probability mass function. So thanks for watching it.